Hello everyone and welcome to BoloForms tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to assign roles to recipients. BoloForms offers 5 different roles for approvals. The first role is Can Approve. This role allows the user to approve or reject the request, as shown in the following example. As you can see, this is the approval request. You can approve it or reject it. The second role is Get Notification. The recipient will receive an email notifying about the approval status of the request. As you can see, we have been notified for the request. The third role is the Receive PDF role. In this, the recipient will receive a PDF report of the form filled by the user. This is the PDF containing the form response and the approval status. The fourth role is the Take Signature role. The recipient will receive a mail asking for signature along with the approval. We can approve and sign, add the comments for approval, and approve. The last role is the Acknowledge role. Through this, the recipient can acknowledge about the approval status of the request. This is the email for acknowledgement. We can go through the form and acknowledge. Add the comment, and hence our request has been acknowledged. Now, to assign a role, it's very simple. First of all, add the email address, and then in the drop-down menu of role section, you can assign the required role and then save the settings. And that's how you assign a role to the recipient. Thank you.